Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Please like, subscribe the channel, comment on channel. Today I have taken a scenario called exchange rate configuration, and it's very normal and very simple configuration. However, it may be useful when it comes to how to configure in real time. Probably from real time point of view, you may not be aware, so you can watch. It will be helpful for you. So in this, I'm going to cover direct quotation, indirect quotation, and decimal places, how to handle decimal places, and how to handle the work list. So let us understand what is called direct quotation and indirect quotation. Direct quotation and indirect quotation. So let's say my company code is 1710 and my company code currency is USD. Okay. So direct quotation means to buy one unit of foreign currency, how much I am paying my domestic currency or my company code currency. That is known as a direct quotation. So, for example, to buy €1, let's say, to buy €1, how much USD I am paying. Okay, so to buy €1, how much USD I am paying. So let's say, let me check the exchange rate. So euro euro to USD. Euro to euro. Sorry, it's not working. Let me go there. Euro to USD. Okay. So to buy one unit of euro currency, you have to pay this much domestic currency. That is your company code currency. So this is known as a direct quotation. Okay. So to buy one foreign currency, one unit of foreign currency, how much you are paying your domestic currency. Okay, that is your company code currency. So that is known as direct quotation. Now understand, with one unit of your home currency, how much foreign currency you can buy. Okay, that is known as a indirect quotation. So here in indirect quotation, you are putting your home currency as one unit and you are trying to equal how much foreign currency you can buy. So come here, you write here now euro to USD to euro. Here you are giving one unit of your local currency or domestic currency and you are able to buy this much your euro. Okay, this is known as a indirect quotation. So very simple. To buy one unit of foreign currency, how much domestic currency you are paying, that is known as direct quotation. To with one currency of your domestic currency or with your company code currency, how much foreign currency you are able to buy, that is known as indirect quotation. Okay, so we'll try to understand the use of them in our scenario. Okay, now let us go to configuration, SPRO. First we'll understand direct quotation, then come to here, come to here, go to general setting, go to currency, Then I'm not going with normal, I'm going with one scenario what I have taken. I have taken one scenario called, so my domestic currency is USD, LBP to USD. So my domestic currency is USD, my company code currency. I'm going to do transaction with Lebanese pound. Okay, I'm going to do transaction with Lebanese pound. Okay, so I'm going to do transaction Lebanese pound. So one Lebanese pound is equal to this much my home currency. So this is direct quotation as per rule. Direct quotation, to buy one foreign country, how much domestic currency are paying. So this much I have to pay the USD because my company currency is USD. So this scenario I'm going to take because there is something I have to teach how to maintain the ratio in this scenario. Now come here, they're not required. Come here. Now here you have to maintain the ratio. So go to new entries, give your exchange rate type M and from into. Okay, so from into LBP, that is Lebanese pound, to USD from which date? Let's say today's date 04/2023, and ratio generally we maintain 1:1. Okay, 1:1 means one Lebanese pound is equal to how much your USD. That is called 1:1 relationship. But in this scenario, if you maintain 1:1 relationship, then you'll see what challenges you'll face. Then we'll come back and we'll try to maintain here. So this is the purpose of teaching you. Remaining normal scenario, you know it. Come here, exchange rate. You have to enter the exchange rate now here. M from today's date you write 16/04/2023. Right now I'm handling direct quotation. Indirect quotation I'll come back. LBP and USD. So one LBP is equal to how much USD, that you have to enter here. So one LBP is equal to this much USD. Try to enter it here. Enter. So you are getting error because after decimal it accept only 5 digit, but here it is 6 digit. It is 6 digit. It is not accepting. Okay, now to how to deal with them. Maybe sometime after decimal there may be 8 9 10 digit also. Okay, and minor difference also plays a very important role in currency business. If you are dealing with the currency business, minor difference can also give you huge profit or loss. So you have to be very careful while maintaining the exchange rate. Now how to deal with this? Okay, how to deal with this? Now let us update here. So one LBP is equal to how much USD? This much USD. It means it is 10 LBP, then how much USD it will come? Then it will come this much USD. This multiplied by this. Okay. This much USD. 10 LBP is equal to this much USD. Okay. See now one after decimal 10 got reduced up to 5. You can maintain in this ratio also. Okay, or you can give 100 LBP is equal to how much USD, this much USD. You can maintain 1000 LBP is equal to how much, this one. You can also maintain like if 10,000 LBP is equal to how much, so it comes this much. Okay, so it's up to you how, but make sure that while maintaining the exchange rate, your decimal should not be more than 5 digit, other it will not accept. So it is the ideal way to maintain, or it's up to you. You can make it 10 also. 10 is equal to this much USD is also possible if you want to maintain, because here 5 digit comes, so you can maintain. But how to maintain now ratio, because 1 is to 1 it is not working. So how to maintain the ratio now here? Okay, how to handle the ratio? So come here, I have to go back here, go back, come to here when you where you have maintained the ratio. Here go to M LBP USD. So when you maintain the ratio, you write here 10. 10 is equal to 1 ratio. So it will behave in this way. Okay. If you maintain 1000, then it will behave in this way. So it's up to you. Let me give it 10,000. Try to understand. Test also it is working on a 10,000 LBP is equal to this much USD. So give here 10,000 ratio. 10,000. Okay. Save it. And this is the date. Come back. Come here. Go to new entries. M valid from LBP and just hit enter and give this exchange rate 0.067. Enter. See 10,000 it has come here. Okay, 10,000 it has come here. It means that 10,000 LBP is equal to this much USD. That is the meaning. Okay, so 000 got added just to reach the 5 character, but it is not front, it is the after 6 7. So 10,000 LBP is equal to this much USD. Now let us test it. Let us test FB. Let's go to 60. Vendor I don't know for this company. Let's go to FB 50 and give here 16. Give here LVP. Okay. Give the company code 1710. Give here. Find the, I think this may be the GL number 1604-2023. Just see any other GL. Okay. Come back. Give some amount like so. Let us test it now. 10,000 LBP I am posting, and this much USD should get converted. Okay. So come here. 10,000. Enter and see the local currency. Sorry, it is I didn't change this one. Let me go back. FB50. LBP. LB differ from a house bank. Okay, let me use another GL. LBP. Let me enter 10,000. Let me check if there is any tax code. Enter cost center. Okay. Now I have entered 10,000 LBP. Now let's see how much local currency it is converting. See, 6 7. It means whatever exchange rate you have maintained is working fine. Okay. See here. Given 10,000 LBP is equal to this much. Okay. It is working fine. Now give here 1000. See, 07. Okay. Now see, there is one problem. Now 1000 when you are entering, it should come 0.67, but it is rounding up. 67 getting like 0.07 it is converting. Okay, there is decimal problem. It is automatically rounding, but you don't want system to round. You want exact value like 67 only, 0.067. How to deal this scenario? Because your system is rounding. So for that also, come here, SDRO, come here, above platform, general setting, currency, set decimal places for currency. Come to here, go to currency USD. USD is not there. Select here USD. Maintain up to how many currency you want, up to how many decimal you want to see. So here for example, after decimal how many are there? 3 are there. So it will work properly if I give 3. But again if I give it 100, it will not work properly. Okay. So let me give here 5 decimal. So up to 5 decimal, it will come exactly the same value. So come here. Now go here. Then come back and try again. Then you'll understand. FD50, LBP, give the GL. Yes. Give the cost center. Okay. Give the tax code. Give here first 10,000. Check 10,000 it is working fine or not. So see, local currency is USD, it is working fine. 6 7 coming for 10,000 LBP. It should come 6 7. Now for 1,000, how much it will come? 6 7. Earlier it was converting 07. Let us see now how much it will come. 1,000. See, 0.67 coming perfectly. Now give here 100 only. Let's see, it should come 0.0067. Enter here 1,000 rupees. See, 0. Sorry, 100 0.0067. So 100, see, 0.0067. So this is how you have to handle the decimal. It's up to your business how after decimal how many digit they want. Okay, and this is how you have to handle the ratio if your exchange rate is very huge, because SAP allows to maintain only up to 5 digit. Okay, now this is called direct quotation. In direct quotation, very simple, exchange rate read from left to right. Okay, it means that 1 LBP is equal to how much USD, or based on this exchange, this one in this scenario 10,000 LBP is equal to how much USD. So it reads from left to right. In indirect quotation, it reads from right to left. So you'll understand. Let me show you. Let's say I'm going to maintain one exchange rate in my currency is USD. So USD to, let's say some like let jar is a South Indian, sorry, South Africa currency. So let's understand this section how to maintain indirect exchange rate. So here you are trying to say 1 USD is equal to how much? Jar. Okay, so indirect quotation. In indirect quotation, what happened? By 1 unit of your domestic currency, how much foreign currency? So in this scenario, 1 USD is equal to this one. Let us understand how this works. So how to maintain the indirect quotation? So first of all, come here, maintain the ratio. Come here, maintain yum. Here, while maintaining, there is no difference. You have to maintain jar is equal to USD. Don't get confused. Here we don't maintain USD is equal to jar. Here jar is equal to USD only. Okay, but while maintaining the exchange rate only, you have to 1:1 I'm maintaining because decimals are not that big, only 18.08. So save it. Now come here. These are very important from real interview point of view, because many of you may not be knowing this how it works in the real time. 16. Now here you have to give jar here, USD here, USD, and give the exchange rate in the indirect. Here you give. Many people will think that one jar is equal to this much USD. No, in indirect quotation, it system reads in opposite way. It reads from this way, right to left side. It reads. Okay, so one USD is equal to how much jar is given here. So it reads in that way. Okay, save it. Now let us make our here. So 1 USD, otherwise one jar. So here what we have done, 1 USD is equal to 1 USD. 1 USD is equal to how much jar is given, this much jar. So let me write this much jar. 1 USD is equal to 1 USD. Okay, USD. Now let me post in jar currency, then you'll understand. Come here, FD50, give here jar currency, give here exchange rate, then give here cost center, then give here. Now enter this much value and observe whether 1 USD it is calculating or not. Enter. See here, 1 USD it is calculating. Okay, this is my local currency is USD, so 1 USD it is calculating. You got it? How indirect quotation works, and how after posting, how do you get to know whether it is posted with indirect quotation or direct quotation? So if let me show you, the slash option will come. So let me show you, same debit credit I'm taking same real 2 time, and I'll show you how it works. Let me post it. Something tax code related issue. This is not my company code, but let me check it. Valid function. Let me select any non-taxable GL rather than spending time fixing this. bank debit jar. Let me go to FS double zero and very tedious job to fix. 50 jar. This is bank GL. Go to FS double zero. Let me find some GL account. Let me check some. This is not my company course. I'm not sure about the GL. Well, let me check. Use this GL. B50 jar. Okay, thanks God. So this one, take this GH. Okay, so now post it and then observe profit center. Let us go here. New GL I think activated. Therefore, profit center student must give anyone profit center. Post it. Okay, after posting, go and check it. Okay, so slash comes here. If it is indirect quotation you are using and posting, then slash option will come. If there is no indirect quotation, then this slash will not come. Okay, this slash will not come. It means that one USD is equal to this much jar. As I said, read from right side. In indirect quotation, read from right side. Okay, one USD is equal to this much jar. Okay, and slash option comes. If slash was not there, then one jar is equal to this much USD. Read from left to right. Okay, once means one jar is equal to this much USD. But since it is indirect quotation, you have to read from right to left. One USD is equal to this much jar. Okay, I hope you are clear. Now, sometimes what happen, you have to maintain the exchange rate. So there are 3-4 ways you can maintain the exchange rate. One, you can interface with some external system. You can load the exchange rate, or you can come manually and maintain exchange rate here. But what happens, it so happen that you don't want to give the access to the user to come and maintain here exchange rate, because he may be required to maintain exchange rate only for one currency. But if he comes here in this T code, he may be chances that he may made the changes here. So how to allow user to maintain only one exchange rate, or limited exchange rate only he should be able to maintain. So there is work list concept. So come here, defined work list. Okay, so go to new entries, give 1 2 3 exchange rate, and how, what is the maintenance every day you have to maintain, or what. So 1 2 3 4 exchange rate. After that, assign exchange rate to work list. So you are giving only to maintain exchange rate to USD to INR only, and this exchange rate, this work list you are assigning what you are creating the first one, and you are giving option to USD to INR only. Other than this, he will not be able to maintain the exchange rate. How to maintain the exchange rate? Then there is one T code. You have to use the T code. Use either you can use this T code or this T code. Both are same. Come here, and this work list will come automatically here. Then click on change button. Okay, click on change button. Sorry, this one. Then valid from, so 16 point today date 04 2023, and you can enter the exchange rate like $100. Hit enter and exchange it and save it. Okay, so you can go and check it here. Exchange rate must have been USD to INR. It would have changed USD to INR. Okay, so note it. Come to here, yum USD to INR. See, this got changed to today's date. So in this way you can have the restriction so that user cannot randomly change the exchange rate. Thank you so much. Video become little lengthy due to errors. Thanks a lot for watching.